Imagine navigating a bustling marketplace where every stall promises unique treasures and opportunities. Now think of a letter of intent, or LOI, as your personal map in the complex world of business negotiations. Why, you might ask, is this map so crucial, especially when venturing into new product development? A letter of intent marks the beginning of a formal conversation between two parties interested in doing business together. It outlines the basic terms of a deal and sets the stage for a binding agreement. But not all letters are crafted equally. Knowing what makes an effective LOI can save time, resources, and potentially your business relationship. First, clarity reigns supreme in a LOI. It should clearly identify the parties involved. Often, this means specifying the legal names of the companies, the names of representatives, and even the roles these representatives play in the negotiations. Next, detail the purpose of the agreement. Are you collaborating to develop a new product? Specify what the product is and perhaps why it's beneficial for both parties to collaborate. This section sets the direction for the future of the project. Terms and conditions come next. This is where the rubber meets the road. Outline what each party promises to bring to the table. This could include financial commitments, resources, or timelines. For product developers, it's crucial to detail the expectations regarding prototypes, testing phases, and final product delivery. Confidentiality is a pillar of any LOI. When developing a new product, protecting your ideas is as important as the final product itself. Ensure your LOI specifies what information is confidential, how it should be handled, and the consequences of any breaches. Non-binding clauses also play a pivotal role. These clauses state that the LOI itself doesn't bind the parties to finalize the deal, but serves as a framework for future negotiations. This is crucial because it allows room for adjustments as the project scope or market conditions evolve. Finally, the termination clause. It might seem counterintuitive to talk about ending things before they even start, but in business it's practical. Define under what circumstances the LOI can be terminated, giving both parties a clear exit strategy if things don't go as planned. Summing up, a well-constructed letter of intent is a beacon that guides both parties through the initial phases of collaboration. It ensures that everyone understands the scope of the project, their roles, and the protections in place for their contributions and ideas. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a budding product developer, mastering the art of the LOI is not just beneficial, it's essential for steering your ventures to success. So, next time you draft or review a LOI, remember, it's more than just a letter, it's the blueprint of your business intentions.